Today I'm going to teach you how to map eyebrows step by step so you can get a flawless finish like this. Let's go. The first thing you're going to do is cleanse the skin. Today I'm using Satin Smooth Cleanser. Then I'm going to take a pink brow mapping pen. You can use any color of your choice. I'm then going to mark points on the brow where I'm going to use the mapping string. Once I've marked the points on the brow, then I'm going to take my brow ruler and make sure that the markings are evenly spaced. Now you're going to mark the arches and the tails of the brow and then measure and make sure that they're even on both sides. Now it's time to map the brows. You're going to start in the center of the brow where you made the first marking, and then you're going to go on both sides, then across the top. Then you're going to measure from midway between the arch and the front of the brow, then at the bottom of the brows in the front. Then you're going to mark the arches of the eyebrows and then the tail, and repeat on the other side. Once you've done that, then you're going to bring the string up from the tail to the center of the brow where you made the first marking, and repeat on the other side. You want to make sure that the string meets at a perfect cross in the middle, right at that center line. And you see that pattern there in the middle, those two triangles that are even, that's what you want. Then you're going to repeat the same thing on the top of the brow, on both sides. And once again, we're looking for symmetry in the middle where those two triangles are completed. Now we're going to come up underneath and do the bottom side of the brow, and the same thing on the other side. We're looking for symmetry in the middle. The triangles that are in the middle should be even. Now you're going to complete the tails of the eyebrow. So beginning at the tip of the tail, you're going to take the string and bring it across toward the other mark that you made. If you can't get the line to perfectly curve at the arch, don't worry about that. You can go back in with the brow mapping pen to smooth it out, or you can take the string and just do it little by little. Either way, it's okay. Now at this point, you want to step back and take a look and make sure that everything looks even to you. Now this part is completely optional. I like to go back over the mapping with a pink mapping pen or any color other than white, so that when I show the client her eyebrows, she can easily see what the shape is going to be. So that's all there is to it. Make sure when you're mapping, you take your time because it is the most important part of any brow service.